What kind of animal are you? A kitty. What's a kitty cat say? Can you be a doggy? What's a doggy say? What's a doggy say?
I'm an alligator.
Oh wow, look at the alligator. We have an alligator in the living room. Oh no! Don't get me! Oh no, alligator, no! Don't get me! Oh no! Are you still an alligator?
I got in the water.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, he's getting an alligator.
He's getting an alligator? The alligator hunter?
Yeah.
Or the crocodile hunter? Did you watch it on TV?
Yeah. The man in the water is the crocodile.
Oh yeah?
He'll bite the guy.
He will?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. What's an alligator do, Ev? Oh no, don't get me! Don't get me!
Daddy, Mommy. Do it, Daddy. Want the pie, Daddy? Can we take the pie?
Pie?
Yeah.
What pie?
One of your foods?
One foods.
Under your chair?
On your chair, Daddy.
Okay, we'll look for it for you.